How do vehicle immobilizers prevent car theft? Have you ever wondered how some cars seem to be nearly impossible to steal? One of the key players in this security game is the vehicle immobilizer. So, how do these systems work to keep your car safe from thieves? Let's break it down. Vehicle immobilizers are designed to electronically disable the essential systems needed to start and operate your vehicle. When you use your key or key fob, it sends a unique identification code to the vehicle's engine control unit. This unit is like the brain of your car. The immobilizer checks this code against a list of authorized codes stored within the system. If the codes match, the immobilizer allows the engine to start. If they do not match, the engine will not start, making it nearly impossible for a thief to drive away. This system operates automatically. You don't need to do anything special beyond using your authorized key or fob. Many immobilizers even use rolling code technology. This means the code changes every time you start your vehicle. This feature makes it extremely difficult for thieves to copy the signal and gain access. From an auto insurance perspective, having an immobilizer can be a real advantage. Insurance companies often recognize that vehicles equipped with these systems are less likely to be stolen. As a result, they may offer lower premiums for cars with immobilizers. This means you could save money on your insurance while also enjoying the peace of mind that comes with added security. Immobilizers work alongside other security features, such as alarms and GPS tracking. Together, these systems create multiple layers of protection against theft. Even if a thief manages to get inside your car, they will still be unable to start the engine without the correct electronic authorization. Since immobilizers became common in vehicles over the past 2 decades, car theft rates have noticeably decreased. If an immobilizer does malfunction, it is usually easier and less expensive to repair than traditional mechanical locks. In short, vehicle immobilizers prevent car theft by electronically blocking the engine from starting without the proper key or signal. This not only lowers the risk of theft but can also lead to lower insurance costs due to enhanced security. So, if you are looking for ways to protect your vehicle, consider the benefits of having a vehicle immobilizer installed.